In this video, I'm going to show you the best Google Drive alternative in 2026. From my research, I don't think any other tool comes close, particularly as it has to do with cloud storage. So the tool is called TeraBox. To get to TeraBox, you just enter terabox.com. That's the URL. I'm going to add it to the description also so you can just click it from there. But this is it, right? So what you want to do while you're here is create an account. Okay, there are a lot you can do here. There's home, there's Terra AI, there's notebook, there's all that beautiful stuff that you can do with the Terra tool. But I usually just come and click on my cloud. Now as you can see, I've only used 87.5 megabytes out of 1 terabyte. That is how much space they give you. 1 terabyte. Let that sink. Alright, as you can see here, they have 30 gig permanent, and then the rest is no time limit. So I think this is based on certain conditions, right? Maybe they give you a timeline between when you need to upgrade and all that. But still, yeah, this is amazing because imagine 30 gig of space. I don't think there's any other platform that comes close. I think the best after this, when it comes to free cloud space, is actually Google Drive. I think with 15 gig. The rest are always between 2 gig to 10 gig. But TeraBox gives you 1 terabyte of space. Wow. TeraBox gives you 1 terabyte. What a rhyme. All right, so this is it. Once you're on the platform, you can check everything you've done here. There's pictures, documents, videos, music. You can click on others and upload whatever you want depending on what you want to upload here and save here on the cloud. For me, when I come to offer, you see I have 2 folders here already: TN files, scroll home. So if I click on TN files, I have 2 subfolders inside of TN files. I have TN files week 2, I have TN files week 1. The interface is very simple and easy. That's one of the reasons I love this tool. All you just want to do is point to this upload button here. If you want to upload, you have an option to upload file, folder, or import from cloud, or you can create a new folder. Just new. So here the space does not work, so you just to separate, you just use the hyphen or the underscore, whichever one works for you, and then you click create the folder. So now you see our folder, we have new folder. You can click in and upload files. So once you click on this, it will take you to your system file explorer. If you want to upgrade, just click on this. This is the pricing page. Here we have the basic version, which is for free trials of AI network display capacity limited to 1 terabyte. Here we have the premium options where you can upgrade. You can just choose any plan you want. All right, premium plus. It says enjoy 41 plus privileges such as AI capabilities, file processing, media playback, storage, and transmission. So the price as at now is $3.89 per month, I guess. Yeah. So I think they're offering 65% off. Then we have storage space. You have 1 terabyte per year. This is the price. 3 terabyte per year. This is the price. 5 terabyte per year. This is the price. So this is just an amazing tool. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you like it? Have you tried this before? Did it work for you? Did you enjoy it? And if you've not tried it before, go ahead and sign up and give it a try. And I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well.